So, you're 18. You're stepping into adulthood with the entire world ahead of you. But there's one tiny little problem. Money. Or rather, the lack of it. Maybe you're working part-time, still in school, or just trying to figure life out. Whatever your situation, the truth is, managing your finances now, even when you have barely anything to work with, could be the most powerful thing you ever learn. In this video, we're going to break down how to budget at 18, even when your bank account is looking like a desert in a drought. No fancy jargon, no confusing spreadsheets, just real talk about how to take control of your money before it takes control of you. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck, receiving allowance, or making money from side hustles, this guide is for you. So grab a notebook, or better yet, just listen closely. Because the earlier you learn this stuff, the further ahead you'll be. Trust me. Let's get something straight. Budgeting isn't just about money. It's about freedom, discipline, and peace of mind. Think about it. How many adults do you know that live paycheck to paycheck? Maybe even your own parents. How many stress out over bills or avoid checking their bank accounts? Now imagine if you could avoid that cycle completely. That's what budgeting does. It gives you control. At 18, money might seem like something that's always slipping through your fingers. But that's not because you're irresponsible. It's because nobody ever taught you how to manage it. Schools rarely do. Social media won't, and most people are just winging it. That changes today. By learning how to budget, you're building the habits most people don't figure out until their late 20s or even 30s. You're setting yourself up to win. But here's the best part. You don't need a lot of money to start. In fact, starting with very little actually teaches you more discipline than having a bunch of cash ever could. Budgeting teaches you how to say no to short-term temptations so you can say yes to long-term freedom. It's the foundation of financial success. Whether you want to travel the world, buy a car, start a business, or just sleep well at night, knowing you've got your stuff together. Here's the first step to any budget. Know what's coming in. This is called your income. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have an income. Yes, you do. If you're getting a part-time job paycheck, allowance from parents, freelance or side hustle money, government support or scholarships, even birthday or holiday money, that's income. You just have to start tracking it. Use your notes app, a budgeting app like EveryDollar or YNAB, or go old school with a notebook. Write down every cent that comes in for the next 30 days. You'll be surprised. $10 here, $40 there. It adds up. But the key is not just seeing the money, it's respecting it. Even if it's just $100 a month, treat it like it's $1,000. Why? Because how you manage a little is how you'll manage a lot. If you can't budget $100, you won't magically know how to budget $1,000. That's why we start now. You're not bad with money, you just never learned how to budget. Let's fix that in 5 minutes. This rule works whether you make $100 or $5,000 a month. Here's how to adapt it. If math isn't your thing, these apps do it for you. Link below. Seriously, you'll be shocked where your cash goes. Drop a comment with your biggest spending weakness. Mine's iced coffee. Subscribe for part 5. How to save $1,000 fast.